how to create the GTA filter trend videos on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our new video on Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up the TikTok app on your device, and there you will be landed to the For You page of TikTok. Now from there, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen, and there on the search bar you have to search for GTA filter. Once you search for it, you will be able to see 3 different filters on your screen. Now pick one from these filters. Now tap on the Use This Effect button at the bottom, and then you will be headed to the camera roll of your TikTok app. Now tap the screen and then countdown will be started, and their GTA filter will be loaded. Now tap on this button and start recording. And once you're satisfied with the video you have recorded, tap tick icon at the right side of your screen. Now you can edit the video using editing tools to enhance your video. And once you're done with editing, tap on next button and then you will be headed to this page. Now here you can add caption, hashtags, mention your friends, and you can also tag friends and add it to any challenges or trends related to the GTA filter. And then post your video by tapping on post button at the bottom of your screen. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to create the GTA filter trend video on TikTok. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.